Finally, after getting called out by Vitaly multiple times, Devon has given his green signal for the right arm Vitaly Laletin super match. So now Vitaly will be having a super match in May. It will be either against Levan Saginashvili or against Devon Larratt. It depends on multiple factors such as who is the winner of the Michael versus Hermes match and what is the mood of that winner. Whether he wants to face Levan straight away or give someone else the opportunity and rest for some time. But what about left arm? Everyone is assuming that Vitaly will be the champion after defeating Morozov. So who will he defend the title against? Is there no one? Well, looks like Alex Kurdecha has to say something about that. Kurdecha told Engin that Vitaly is very powerful, but he's very confident as well. He's kind of overconfident at this moment and it can come back and hurt him. Honestly, I know the power of Vitaly pretty good. I know his potential, I know his hand is really good, I know his power, and I know how special he is. And Kurdecha said that he knows all of these things because of watching Vitaly recently, and in the past he has practiced with him as well. And he also said that previously there was only one difficult thing for Vitaly to do, and that was to gain weight. But now he can do even that. By the way, he has already done that. He's almost 150 kilos, easily over 145. So this overconfident comment, this response from Kurdecha is coming after watching Vitaly's interview where he was asked if Kurdecha can be a threat or not. Vitaly straight away refused to consider Alex as any kind of threat whatsoever. That's why Alex is saying that Vitaly is overconfident and he may get shocked when these two pull on the table. But still, Kurdecha is aware that in order to beat Vitaly, as per him, you either need to be as tall as him or you need to have a strong wrist or maybe an even stronger wrist than Vitaly, or maybe both of these things simultaneously. Only then you can beat him. Otherwise, you need some serious change of plans. You cannot just go into a Vitaly Laletin match with plan A. You need to have plan B and plan C. And looks like Alex has already prepared those plans. Vitaly said he is in no danger, but don't be too sure. Everyone is getting strong. This was Kurdecha's message for Vitaly. Now, usually I would have said that we will get some data after watching the Morozov versus Vitaly match because we have already seen Morozov beat Alex Kurdecha in a very close match. But here, although Vitaly will still be the favorite, but styles can mix things up because I would assume that although Morozov is better than Kurdecha, but top rolling Morozov may be easier than top rolling Alex Kurdecha. That's why maybe he can do something against Vitaly, but still he will be like 90% favorite against Alex. Devon also commented about the Vitaly Laletin situation. He said that if Vitaly is not facing Levan, then he has to face Vitaly for sure. And if he himself wants to get to Levan the third time, then he has to go through Vitaly. There is just no way around that. It's come to a point where I feel I have to pull him. If I want to pull Levan, I think I have to pull Vitaly. Devon said Vitaly is pretty strong. He has the biggest potential, but he still doesn't know how and why Vitaly loses to certain people. For example, he lost to Dave Chaffee few years ago. He lost to Hermes Gasparini despite having some good positions in that match. People say I'm ducking him. I would have pulled him if he was in the way. So is Devon saying that Vitaly was not at his level? That's why this match didn't happen? Well, earlier he himself used to consider Vitaly above him. That's why the match didn't happen. And now I think it was a common thing, understandable thing for many fans that Devon was ahead of him. So I guess he's right. That's why that match didn't happen. That's why that match couldn't happen. But now Vitaly has almost climbed the ladder back up once again. He was considered number 2 guy in the world for no reason, I should say, without having to fear Vitaly Laletin fans, because he had never defeated anyone in the top 10 except for Evgeny Prudnik. Even now, I don't think he has defeated anyone in the top 10 except for Artem Morozov and also Georgy Zaranov if you really want to consider him in the top 10. But still, he clearly hasn't beaten anyone in the top 5 yet. But anyways, I would love to see this match, or maybe people would like to see the Vitaly versus Levan match first, so that even if Vitaly loses, we can still get to see the Devon versus Vitaly match. But on the other hand, if Vitaly loses to Devon, we're not sure if we are ever going to see the Vitaly versus Levan super match. So please mention your thoughts in the comment section about this, like the video, and I'll see you again.